Jim Clifton, Wellbeing at Work. In today's fast-paced work environment, many often ponder over the key to a happy and fulfilled life. Wellbeing at Work, by Jim Clifton, examines the important aspects of work satisfaction and its impact on overall well-being. The book's summary delves into the critical factors involved in achieving a healthy work-life balance, by exploring the role of satisfying work, effective management, and the connection between work and our personal lives. In addition, it discusses the significance of financial well-being, physical health, and positive community involvement not only for employees but also for the organizations they work in. Readers can anticipate learning valuable insights on fostering and nurturing a well-being culture at work and deriving greater satisfaction from their professional lives.
Work for a longer and happier life. Enjoying work can lead to a longer and happier life according to a pioneering study conducted in the 1950s. The study found that the contented group of 95-year-olds prioritized leisure time with family and friends and had a cheerful outlook on life. However, they all spent an average of 60 hours a week working until they were 70 or 80 years old. The key message is that work can protect our well-being, but it has to be satisfying work. 93% of the men and 85% of the women in the study got a huge amount of satisfaction from their work, in contrast to only 36% of American workers over the last decade who said they felt engaged with their work. Therefore, there are huge benefits to our well-being when we enjoy our work. Employee well-being, a win-win for employers and employees. Employees who are happy with their jobs perform better, and when managers act as coaches, everybody wins. The negative effects of job dissatisfaction on employee well-being and job performance are well documented. Disgruntled employees are more likely to experience boredom and anger, and they may even have higher levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Furthermore, lower levels of work engagement among unhappy employees are associated with poor job performance. Managers have a critical role to play in improving employee well-being and job satisfaction. Bad management can take a significant toll on subordinates. Supervisors who bully or are uninvolved can cause a range of unhealthy behaviors in employees, from insomnia to alcohol abuse. However, coaching managers can make a significant difference. By setting goals proactively, providing weekly feedback sessions, and incorporating well-being goals into their conversations, coaching managers can help employees improve not just their job performance, but also their overall well-being. Employees who believe that their managers care about their well-being consistently outperform those who feel that their managers are indifferent. Consequently, organizations should consider providing training to develop their managers as coaches rather than bosses. By prioritizing employee well-being and job satisfaction, employers can boost employee engagement, performance, and retention rates. The power of workplace friendships. This book's summary emphasizes the importance of workplace friendships for improving employees' well-being and productivity. The author highlights the reciprocal influence of personal and work lives and argues that employers must support the well-being of their employees in all aspects of life. The summary reveals the significance of having a best friend at work, which can result in better performance, reduced workplace accidents, improved customer satisfaction, and increased profits. The author suggests that the onboarding program could be transformed by including opportunities for socializing, such as coffee breaks and team lunches. Additionally, managers should encourage friendships by putting people together on future projects based on their preferences. The success of onboarding can be measured by the number of new recruits who have developed friendships within their first year. Through these steps, organizations can strengthen their employees' social relationships and promote a positive and productive work environment. Boosting financial well-being. Financial well-being is essential to overall well-being, yet 75% of Americans worry about money. For employees, low financial well-being leads to stress, which can negatively affect their performance. However, companies can boost employees' financial well-being without raising their pay. Financial security is more crucial than having a high income, and it's vital for companies to focus on helping employees achieve financial security. Studies show that a person's perception of having enough money has 3 times the impact on their well-being than their actual income. One way organizations can help is by providing financial planning and savings tools or bringing in financial advisors to offer advice. Prioritizing employees' physical well-being. Only when organizations prioritize the physical well-being of their employees can they become truly resilient. Studies have shown that just 20% of Americans feel active every day, and only 10% believe they are in good physical health. The COVID-19 pandemic has made it clear that organizations need to prioritize the physical well-being of their employees to safeguard their workforce. The message is simple: your organization is only as resilient as your employees. Getting enough sleep is crucial for leading a healthy life. Those who sleep for fewer than 7 hours a night are at a greater risk of hypertension, stroke, and obesity. Leaders can enforce this practice by communicating the latest sleep research to their workforce. Managers should have conversations about the importance of physical activity, since exercising for just 2 days a week increases happiness and reduces stress levels. Organizations can also redesign the workplace to encourage movement. Sitting down for more than 4 hours at a time is linked to a greater risk of obesity, even for those who exercise regularly. Leaders should model these healthy habits themselves, such as going home at a reasonable hour and returning alert and ready to work. The key takeaway is that organizations must prioritize the physical well-being of their employees, as this is crucial to their resilience in times of crisis. Building thriving communities through corporate social responsibility. How an organization contributes to the well-being of its local community can have a significant impact on its success. Employees today want to work for organizations with a positive influence on the community. Developing corporate social responsibility (CSR) initiatives is a visible way for businesses to give back and attract top talent. Research suggests that companies with better CSR projects than their competitors also outperform them financially. To integrate community well-being into business practices, leaders should ask employees about their community interests and leverage their unique talents to maximize positive impact. Encouraging employees to share their good deeds with coworkers can also magnify feelings of community well-being. Building a culture of well-being. Good managers are essential for building and maintaining a culture of well-being in an organization. This book's summary highlights how leaders can accelerate this culture by having policies that promote well-being, consistent messaging, incentives, recognition, and personal development schemes. On the other hand, incompetent managers can pose a significant hurdle in creating a culture of well-being. Employees need hope, stability, trust, and compassion from their leaders during stressful and uncertain times, such as during the COVID-19 pandemic, to maintain their sense of well-being.
As we wrap up the summary of Wellbeing at Work, we come to understand the critical importance of a satisfying work environment in contributing to a long, happy life. The book highlights the value of effective management that supports employees, promotes social interactions, and encourages well-being discussions. It also draws attention to the impact of financial security, physical well-being, and community involvement on employee morale and overall organizational success. Unveiling the hurdles in achieving a well-being culture, the book sheds light on the necessity for companies to adopt policies aligned with a healthy work-life balance. In essence, the teachings in Wellbeing at Work hold the potential to revolutionize not only individuals' professional lives but also their broader life experiences, paving the way for a healthier and happier existence.